Apple's iPhone 15 range is rumored to have bigger batteries and a new USB-C port, which might contribute to both longer battery life and quicker charging on the iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Pro. One of the most significant changes in the iPhone 15 series will be the introduction of new battery technology, which will increase the battery capacity of iPhone 15 models. According to a tip, Cider developed stacked battery manufacturing technology similar to what is used in electric cars, which will be coming in iPhone 15 series. As a consequence, it will help to enhance battery. According to reports, the iPhone 15-based model will have the largest battery jump, 18%, with a battery capacity of 3,877 mAh, while the iPhone 15 Plus will have a battery capacity of 4,912 mAh, a 14% jump, and the iPhone 15 Pro will have a 14% battery jump with a battery capacity of 3,650 mAh, while the iPhone 15 Pro Max will have a 12% battery jump with a battery capacity of 4,852 mAh. If the report of increased battery size is true, we may anticipate a corresponding improvement in phone battery life. A more efficient Apple A17 chipset and a newer OLED panel generation would almost certainly contribute to the battery size increases. This is a significant increase in battery capacity, but we must consider the device's weight and dimensions. It is apparent that we will see a thicker device, which, in my view, will make the device a bit heavier due to stack-up battery technology. And the second significant update will be the introduction of USB-C, with credible experts now predicting that all phones and Apple's 2023 range will use a new USB-C port with power delivery capabilities rather than the aging Lightning port. Also, with the advent of the USB-C port on the iPhone 15 series, Apple will have all the infrastructure for faster charging in place, allowing Apple to officially increase the 20-watt charging speed of the iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max to the higher 27-watt or 29-watt charging peak, which I believe is a significant upgrade as it takes ages to transfer files using the Lightning port or via AirDrop. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.